I was a teacher before becoming a chef. My teaching background and my chef background came together to enable me to develop a program that could travel school to school and teach children and parents about good food. CHEFS is an acronym for Cook Healthy, Edible Foods. We're giving them life skills in order to understand how food is important. We teach them where food comes from, what real food tastes like, how to prepare food, and importantly, how to share it around a table. And that is so inspiring, so energizing, so joyful to watch that discovery of food in the classroom.
We really feel like, everything we're doing has the potential to change lives.
It gets kids thinking about what they're eating. It changes behaviors. It gives them skills. It empowers them. Let them cook. Let them create. Let them taste. They can do this. Don't be afraid to let them in the kitchen.